Hello, this is Amir Shahata with another LUTF quick tip. Today we'll go over how the LUTF integrates in the Lustre Test's infrastructure. There are multiple ways to run the Lustre test scripts, but for the sake of this discussion, we'll stick with the documented method shared in the link below. At the top Lustre test directory, there are two files of interest, lutf.sh and lutfstart.sh. I'm not going to go into implementation details except to mention that the lutf.sh file is intended to be run from the Oster script, while the lutf-start.sh file is meant to be run as a standalone. But if you do run it, you will need to set up the environment variables Oster sets up. lutf.sh calls lutf-start.sh. The testing, how to link, I shared details the testing setup pretty well. You'll need to follow that to set up your test environment. When you run the LUTF from Oster, you need to provide a configuration file which outlines the test nodes. For the LUTF, there are three extra environment variables to take a note of: the master port, the telnet port, and the shell mode. You can go back to quick tip number 3 for more details. It is not necessary to set these environment variables since they will be defaulted in case they are missing. I just want to spend a minute talking about the LUTF shell environment variable. If you recall, this can take three values: batch, interactive, and daemon. If it's not specified, it will default to batch and run whatever scripts are requested. Interactive is most useful while developing test scripts. Batch is most useful when running the test scripts automatically from Oster or Malo as an example. Daemon is used for agents when run through Oster. The LUTF start.sh uses the environment variables to generate the LUTF YAML configuration file. That's the easiest way to get the configuration file. You can then modify it as you please. Let's look at the steps we need to run an LUTF batch test. First, you'll need to set up your test environment as shown in the how to link. Second, you need to create your Oster configuration file. Again, you can use the one in the how to link, and if you wish, you can add the three LUTF specific environment variables. Then you run Oster. It's as simple as that. The only caveat is this: in the Oster configuration file, you'll need to export the variables in order for the LUTF's Python scripts to pick them up. In the final LUTF quick tip, I'll go over how you can manually run batch tests.